Is it silent, guys? Okay, go ahead.
Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. My name is Harmandeep Singh. Today I am presenting my presentation on developing a schedule of quantities SOQ for selected trades using Microsoft Excel. This is an example. The main points are setting up Excel spreadsheet, measurement and quantification, abstracting quantities, preparation of SOQ, presentation and documentation, and last one is conclusion. So the first point is setting up Excel spreadsheet. Create a new Excel workbook or sheet for data entry. Then organize data into columns and rows for easy. Use formulas and functions to perform calculations and analysis. Then format cells, rows and columns for better visualization and readability. Like date, projection, actual, word count, goal. Second topic is measurement and quantification. First, define the units of measurement for the data being analyzed. Secondly, use appropriate tools or techniques to quantify the data accurately. Then convert measurement if necessary to ensure consistency in analysis. Lastly, apply statistical method to interrupt and analyze quantitative data. Like this column A, B, C, and first name, and then like that. The third topic is abstracting quantities. Identify key quantities or variables relevant to the analysis. Summarize and extract essential information from the data. Third, create visual representations such as charts or graphs to abstract quantities effectively. Lastly, use descriptive statistics to present abstracted quantities in a meaningful way. Abstracting quantities in Excel for construction projects involves extracting and summarizing key data related to materials, labors, and costs to facilitate accurate project estimation and budgeting. By utilizing Excel functions and formulas, construction professionals can streamline the process of quantifying quantities such as concrete, volume, steel, reinforcement, lengths, and labor hours required for specific tasks. This abstraction process allows for the creation of detailed cost estimates, bill of quantities, and project schedules, enabling project managers to effectively plan and monitor resources. Prepare SOQ. Experience and expertise. Highlight relevant experience, qualifications, and expertise that demonstrate your capabilities in the specific area of focus. Include details of past projects, achievements, and success stories. Skills and capabilities. Outline the skills, competencies, and resources that set you apart and enable you to deliver high quality results, and any unique selling points or competitive advantages. Team and partnership. Introduce key team members, partners, or collaborators who contribute to the success of the project. Highlight their roles, expertise, and contributions. To prepare a statement of qualifications SOQ for construction in Excel, you can follow these steps. First step, start by creating a new Excel spreadsheet and setting up the necessary columns and rows. To organize your information, include sections for company information, project experience, key personal certifications, and any other relevant details. Second step, input your company name, contact information, and brief overview of organization at the top of the spreadsheet. This will serve as the introduction of your SOP. Third, in the project experience section, list previous construction projects your company has completed. Include details such as project name, location, scope of work, client name, project value, and any unique challenges or achievements. Fourth step, highlight key personnel by listing their names, titles, qualifications, and relevant experience in the construction industry. This section should demonstrate the expertise and capabilities of your team. Fifth step, include any certifications, licenses, or accreditations that your company holds, showcasing your commitment to quality and compliance with industry standards. Sixth step, utilize Excel formatting tools to make your SOQ visually appealing and easy to read. Use colors, borders, and fonts to emphasize important information and create a professional looking document. The last step is, once you have input all the necessary information, review and edit your SOQ to ensure that accuracy and clarity. Make any necessary revisions before analyzing the documents for submissions. Presentation and documentation. Presentation and documentation. Create a professional presentation or report to communicate findings effectively. Secondly, use visuals aids such as charts, graphs, and tables to enhance the presentation of data. Include detailed documentation of the analysis methodology and results for transparency. And ensure that the presentation or documentation is well organized and easy to follow. In the construction industry, presentation and documentation in Excel play a crucial role in project management and communication. Excel can be used to create visually appealing and informative presentations that showcase project progress, timelines, budgets, and key performance indicators. Through the use of charts, graphs, and tables, stakeholders can easily understand complex constructions data and make informed decisions. Additionally, Excel allows for the documentations of the project details such as material, quantities, cost, estimate, schedules, and resource allocations. Here is an example. The last one is conclusion. In conclusion, the process of setting up an Excel spreadsheet, measuring and quantifying data, abstracting quantities, preparing a statement of qualifications SOQ, and presenting and documenting findings is essential for effective project management and decision making. Excel spreadsheets provide a structured framework for organizing and analyzing data, enabling stakeholders to make informed choices based on quantitative information. Measurement and quantification allow for the evaluation of project performance and the identification of key metrics for success. Abstracting quantities help in simplifying complex data sets and extracting meaningful insights. The preparation of an SOQ showcases the expertise. Effective presentation and documentation of findings ensure clear communication and understanding among stakeholders, facilitating collaboration and alignment towards common goals. Thank you, everyone.
With a round of applause. Thank you for delivering a nice presentation. It's quite different than other presentations. And press that. Any questions?